Dr. Missy, Director of Clinical Nutrition here at Revive Chiropractic Centers, and I want to talk to you today about our awesome and amazing, life-impacting, life-changing program called 8 Weeks to Wellness, often called here 8WW. 8WW is a program that we've begun recently and got a bunch of people onboarded, and now we're on the other side to where we're seeing a lot of those patients emerge as completely different people. So maybe you've watched a couple of videos from me and you might see some nutritional tips. I talk a lot about removing sugars, grains, reducing the amount of carbohydrates, portion size, mindfulness, all kinds of things. So all of those come out of this amazing program called 8 Weeks to Wellness. Now, 8 Weeks to Wellness has experts in about every level of nutrition and physical exercise and chiropractic, mindfulness, all put together into one program. Because if you're, for example, if you were to do consultations with just me, and we talked about nutrition, but we left out principles of mindfulness, we left out the exercise component with Miss Teresa, we left out the chiropractic component, we will be leaving out a lot of good fruit that really would produce an overall wellness lifestyle, which is what we're trying to get at. In 8 weeks, you're not going to achieve your life goals physically. You're just not. But it is an on-ramp to a new lifestyle, a new beginning, to begin something to help you in the rest of your life, to live well, to age well, to move well, to think well, to eat well, to become the person that you always wanted to be. And a lot of people just don't know how to get from where they are to where they would love to be or be again. You know, a lot of us remember what it felt like to feel good in our youth, to feel like you're moving well, you're thinking well, to feel happy and joyful. Maybe you felt that way before, maybe you've never felt that way before, but it's never too late. And 8 Weeks to Wellness is a program specifically designed to help you get there. So please give us a call. If it's already passed, if you're watching this video after the Friday before Thanksgiving, and you missed our 8WW kickoff event, don't worry. Please call the office. We'd love to talk to you. We'd love to share with you patient testimonials. We'd love to encourage you just to come out and get a health check, just to see what kind of grade you're at. Thanks for listening.